So let's try to explain this through an analogy so people can perhaps understand where I'm coming from. Trend is direction. Imagine if you're in a car. So if you go north or south, that's bullish or bearish. That's direction. Momentum is the speed that the car is traveling. So you may have two cars going north in the same trend, but they're going in different speeds. So the momentum and the MACD is basically a dashboard. Sorry, a speedometer on your dashboard, a speedometer. So the MACD shows that, and that's what momentum indicators do. They are basically speedometers. Then you've got volatility, which shows you how much heat you've got in the car. But it just stuck to my mind as something very important, which was that low volatility is where markets or market trends are born, and high volatility is where they go to die. When there is high volatility, that's you see trend exhaustion both to the upside and to the downside, because volatility is usually trend agnostic.